Haritha Retreat by Manoj Champika, Chartered Architect in Sri Lanka. Haritha Retreat is a private residence that design accordance with the client's personal need and contextual force. This house was designed for an extended family. The house is located in the congested residential hub in the city of Pepiliyana. Key concept: trying to create views within the site while shrouding off the poorly laid out and constricted concrete jungle of houses and buildings beyond the site, which became the catalysis for the design. So, the form of the whole design was created to get views to a centralized space and get forest's cape views within the site blocking the outside view. Spatial configuration: the site is in levels, and the challenge was considered and designed in 2 levels, which consists of an entrance foyer in the upper level and other spaces in lower levels. The formation is aesthetically pleasing as the garden and pool are centralized for a specular view from all directions. Living is scalped as a double-height space, which enhances the perception. Major spaces like living and dining areas are open to this centralized space. The living area and dining area visually and physically connect with the centralized space. The large windows allow the living and dining spaces to expand onto the pool deck area for an event or a nice gathering. Dining room lays side by side with the living room, with no physical separation while sharing the pool view with the living from one side. It also faces a narrow strip of an internal courtyard along its stretches from the other side. Bedrooms stand out with their simple and minimalist design for relaxation and renewal. From this space, we can also get a visual connection to a centralized space. In addition to these major spaces, there is a TV lobby, and kids' work area, recreational area like a maker's space, and game area, where have a kind of very cozy ambience. The well-designed courtyards, balconies where you play with light and shade, and nice roof terrace with lush greenery provide additional spaces for relaxation and connection with nature. The thoughtful arrangement of spaces in the house creates a harmonious living experience that captivates the eye and enriches daily life. The landscape is designed as a rainforest concept to mitigate the views of the undeveloped urban surroundings. The creation of proper arrangement and correct balance of spaces provides the feel of calm and quiet nature for peaceful living.